I think there's a lot of sensitivity because of HIPAA, because of electronic patient information, fear of litigation and so forth. There's a lot of sensitivity around what's floating around on those mobile devices.
We've seen that about every 15 days or so, a new operating system or a new piece of mobile hardware is released. If you don't have an R&D team that's able to address those changes in a very timely manner, if you can't guarantee that support, then you have no way of knowing that the information contained on those devices is protected, secure, and of a satisfactory compliance level.
What we try to do at Airwatch is provide some control over those basic MDM functionality, plus email management, application management, and digital content management as well.
In an environment where you're wanting to bring in different types of devices, Android, iOS, so your iPads, those types of things, we provide a solution that allows you to manage and secure those devices, and that's regardless of whether you own it or the employee owns it.
We can bifurcate that by role in the organization, by what campus you're on, whether you're a doctor, a nurse, a hospital administrator, etc.
We provide our MDM solution to all types of organizations: retail, government, of course healthcare, education is another big vertical, even transportation, oil and gas.
Every one of those customer types pushes and pulls our development, R&D, and quality teams in very different ways.
This is the type of product that really any organization can and really needs to use if they're deploying different types of mobile devices. 9
out of the top 10 retailers in America run Airwatch. Probably 25% of our revenue is associated with our healthcare vertical.
We have over 900 employees, and that means that we're double the size of our next closest competitor. Of those 900 employees, more than 400 are in research and development.
So we have separate development teams that are focused on those OSs, and even within an OS like Apple, there are different versions. Every time an iOS comes out, we've got a development team that has to be ready the day that OS comes out with every piece of functionality leveraging every API, and that's why it takes a tremendous amount of manpower.
We don't outsource anything. QA, R&D, even support. It's all housed here in-house in our headquarters on the north side of Atlanta. And we've grown very quickly. Of course, we've got a very fertile recruiting ground right around the corner here at Georgia Tech. Back in April of 2011 when I started, I was about an employee 180, and we've just recently eclipsed the 900 employee mark, so remarkable rate of growth.